Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful design. Very charming, very attractive and latest ideas. It's a latest many design. Many videos. Are you like these perfectly ideas? It's a perfectly videos. Our latest and trending designs, latest and beautiful videos. If you guys are interested in another articles, you will be and amazing ideas. It's amazing videos are also too many designs, many videos. Our latest ideas, latest videos. If you guys are interested in another design, in another videos, if you guys are interesting ideas, we will be keep sharing without any more design. Or will be sharing with the most latest trending designs of 2024. Its 2024 ideas are also two attractive videos. It's unique full ideas. Our many designs, many videos are latest and trending, latest and beautiful and charmful ideas. It's charming videos. If you guys are interested in another design, in another beautiful designs, it's beautiful videos. Our latest designs, latest and charmful ideas. We will be keep sharing with many latest designs, many latest videos. How you like these perfectly ideas? It's a perfectly videos. In these ideas, in these videos, are you like these perfectly ideas? It's perfectly videos. Are many designs, it's many videos. Our latest and trending, latest and beautiful and charming looks ideas. If you guys are interested in another articles, in another videos, our latest ideas, its latest and perfectly designs, we will be keep sharing with many attractive design. And if you guys are interested in another articles and in another videos, our latest and trending, latest and beautiful design, we will be sharing with more latest designs, more beautiful and charming looks idea. Our latest ideas, its latest and many designs, many videos. If you guys are interested in another design, in another videos, we will be keep sharing. You will be also to attractive design, also to many videos. Our latest and trending, latest and beautiful and charming looks ideas. It's charming videos. If you guys are interested in another articles, in another videos, you will be a perfectly videos.